today we're going to be pulling out of the Target bag, what I got at Target, which I got at Target. So you guys don't know what it is. Let's get the first thing, but I know what it is. Which is Puppy in My Pocket. It's like the same another one, but it's pink and has different puppies. I like this one. It has a butterfly on its paw. So here's the back. Shows all the puppies I used to collect, and I have this one, but I lost it. It's kind of sad. Because I put it in my backpack and then poof, it's gone because I got hit by a person's backpack. But anyway, what is just fudge candy in it? Dip a hole. Oh wait, I know. Ah. Come on. I'm having trouble with this. Wait. There you go. Yeah, there we go. Finally got it. That was so loud. And now into the bed. So here is the cute little bag, just like the blue one. Opens up. See this puppy. Stuck in there. Oh, there's a rubber band around this. So it opens just like the blue one. This is what is it called? It's like cute puppy, I guess. Don't know the type of the puppy, but yeah, I'm gonna pop out my favorite. So here's my favorite one. It's this one with the butterfly on it, and it's so cute. It looks like Molly. If you don't know who Molly is, it's basically my neighbor's dog. Not exactly next to me. It's like my sister's friend. This is super soft, her hair. And then her body's not really as soft. But let's check out this black one. Well, this dog looks black. Black and white. No, he's not black and white. Yeah, there you go. I don't know what type of dog this is. Super cute. Look at this. Okay. This guy goes. Ew! With a fur, I don't know. Her booty stuck in there. Okay. So this one's lying down. I like these dogs with like these kind of ears. They're like really fluffy. And they're so adorable. But I might show you guys my another ones. Another puppy in my pocket today. Or tomorrow. Or whatever you think I should. But there. This one's head is stuck. There we go. This one, I don't know what type it is. It has like a little clip in its head or something. So cute. So adorable. We have 3 things today. Well, one of them's just a thing. But yeah, not really toy. So, yeah, I would give this Puppy in My Pocket portrait a 1 out of 10. What it would be is a 1. Yay! Or a 10, or whatever you think it is. Whatever you think it's supposed to be, like 1 or 10 or anything, then leave in the comments below. So this next thing is gonna be, okay, finally, the Uglies Pet Shop. They're so ugly. I don't even want to open this. Okay. Ow. Stop. So, this is why we have helpers on my channel. Do that. That's so fancy. Really fancy. I'm not kidding. Yeah, let's put these guys over here. We're not looking at them. There we go. That's better, right? We got one of the squishy ones. 2 of the squishy ones. Oh my gosh, these are so weird. I wish I got one of the poop ones. It's like poop. It's so weird. Oh, this one's squishy, sticky, icky, ew. So I'm gonna test. Oh my gosh, this is so sticky. I'm gonna show you. I don't know what this is at all. But I'm gonna show you how they can stick to walls. So that's easy. So I'm gonna go with this. I don't know if you can see, but he's sticking on the wall. You can put the sliders all over the wall. These ones are super sticky and weird. Some of them aren't that sticky. And yeah. Oh, this one isn't sticky. It's just in this little thing. Treasure chest. So let's see you guys' names, I guess. Oh my goodness, this is slimy. What even is this? Why can't like a hamster? I have no idea. It has little dots on it. For the puppy in my pocket, I didn't look at the list, so I'm not going to do that. But for the ugly ketchup, I want to know what this thing is. Okay, squishiest. Here, I found him. I don't know what that says. You see him in the stickiest.
Toadkill.
Toadkill. Do you know what he is, though? What is he? Doesn't tell you.
A toad.
Oh, it's a toad.
Is it called toadkill? Like roadkill?
Well, I might show you my other things, but in a different video. But today, I have completed my mission. That's what I would say. Oh yeah, and the hat. This is Limitless hat. I love it so much. It's beautiful, long hair. I don't know if this is tail or ring or yeah, but it says Rainbow Dash. So yeah, today's video has been successful.